We are in the market since about 200 years, and we are the market leader in the corrosion-resistant technologies. We mainly serve pharmaceutical, chemical, food and beverages, energy type of industries. The most common product from Pfaudler is the chemical reactor. It's a tank of various sizes that has a lining done with glass or some type of plastic. You can think about everything you are using at home to clean your house. All of those products are somehow containing chemical products that have been processed most probably into one of our machines. We all have requirements from our finance department, for example, to make more margin, more revenue, and all of this requires good data. The item master data quality, it's an extremely important project because we want to eliminate all the duplicates and we want to arrive to have a very good description of our data. So we decided to use Infor generative AI to give us a start on this project and make it going faster. Prior to GenAI, it was an extremely tedious job. A person would go through each item one by one, and it takes about 5 minutes to just read the item and try to understand what it is and try to enter into the technicalities and get all the information in order to arrive to a point to be capable to remediate the result of this item. If we look at the entire population of those items, 800,000, it will take about 7 years more or less to adjust all these items. And instead with GenAI, we estimate to complete the project in 6 months. We got a good gain because already 20% more or less of those items of this entire population have been reclustered and regrouped with the right formatting. Now the next step that we want to take is to create a much better item description and item name using GenAI and generating all the translation into an harmonized way. We have a lot of people in the company creating items in the system, and not everybody has the knowledge how to describe an item properly. We are a global company, and in our company we tend to use English, Italian, French. So what we found is that the Infor generative AI is capable to translate those texts in a matter of seconds. So the final goal of this data cleansing project for us is really to have a better quality of the item master in a way that it's becoming easier for all the stakeholders in the company to use the item, find the item, buy the item, reduce the quantity, reduce waste. The estimated saving of this project is about 5% of the value that we have right now in inventory. This will also help us in the quotation and in the order with our customer, where we can propose a more harmonious type of text into our proposal to the customer. What also happened is that I have just shown to the team what can we do with GenAI, for example, and everybody brought ideas back saying, oh, we can use it for this, so maybe we can implement it there. So I'm sure that a lot of things will happen. I'm extremely happy.